think it's a deal.
Think it's a boy?
It's a deal of a boy, Sissy.
I don't know. I cannot see it very good.
Let me see.
Can you tell?
No.
Maybe try reading it.
It says it at the bottom.
Oh,
A deal!
it's a girl.
Yay! It's a deal! I knew it! I just knew it! I knew it would be a deal!
Are you happy?
Yeah!
Miley, you know what that means?
What?
You're going to be a big sister.
I know!
What about me?
No, you're just going to be useless.
You're gonna be a big sister. You're gonna be a big sister to another little girl like Miley.
I can't believe it! It's just a deal! It's me! I can't even believe it! But it's still our little sister.
It is your little sister. You're right.
Now I have 3 sisters and you have 3.
Yeah.
Ariana, you, and the girl, which is a baby. And I have the same.
Me too.